In the previous lesson, we learned that phishing attacks can be done through a variety of ways, that it can also be done on other websites, and this might include our own websites. Now, as developers, how can we secure our website from being used in phishing attacks? Let's take Steam as an example. When we click links in Steam, we are notified on which site we are going to be redirected. When we click links there, we will see a pop-up. With this, users become aware that they are clicking on the right link. Take this as an example. When a normal site like google.com is clicked by the user, we are shown a warning stating that we will be redirected to google.com. This is how Steam's link filter implements link handling to prevent phishing attacks. We can see that there is a warning when URLs are clicked, but this is not always the case. Different things happen on different URLs. Based on the image, Steam displays a danger message for links that are considered malicious. This is what Steam does to blacklisted or unsafe sites. So far, we can see that Steam categorizes the URLs by either normal, with a warning message displayed, or blacklisted, with a danger message displayed. But what about for sites that are safe or whitelisted? How does Steam's link filter handles this? Let's take this URL as an example. In this example, we are clicking the link Steam Community, which is also from Steam. Upon opening the link, we can see here that there is no notice or link block displayed because Steam Community trusts this domain, so it whitelists it. Hence, no pop-up is displayed for the user. In simple terms, Steam categorizes links as blacklisted, whitelisted, or normal. The blacklisted links are links that Steam categorizes as malicious. The whitelisted links are links that belong to their organization, which is there is no pop-up shown for whitelisted links because Steam fully trusts whitelisted links. All the other URLs that are neither whitelisted nor blacklisted falls under the normal category, which means that only a notice and not a danger will be shown to the user. So here's a rough summary on how blacklisting and whitelisting works in Steam. The route /link filter gets the URL parameter. Then, the domain stated in the URL parameter, such as google.com, is compared to a set of whitelisted and blacklisted URLs from the Steam's database. If the domain is blacklisted, Steam will display the link block modal. If the domain is included in the whitelist, no modal will be displayed and the user will be automatically redirected to the URL. If the domain is not in the whitelist and in the blacklist, this means that the URL is normal, so the notice modal will only be displayed. This is how basic blacklisting and whitelisting is. But it is not just about the basics always, as attackers will find a way to still phish users. This is why we need to also have advanced blacklisting and whitelisting for these types of bypasses. Take this for example. Can you see how the URL is treated above? This URL will work if you type it in your browser, and this can bypass the basic blacklisting and whitelisting. An in-depth discussion about the advanced concepts of blacklisting and whitelisting will be discussed in the next lesson.